Mastering the phrase, cradle a baby, in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a common English phrase, cradle a baby. Whether you're a parent, an aunt, an uncle, or simply a friend, this phrase and its usage can come in handy. Let's explore what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Cradle a baby refers to the act of holding a baby gently in your arms. The word cradle here is used as a verb, which means to hold tenderly and protectively, resembling how a cradle, which is a baby's bed, supports and protects a baby. Literal use. When you cradle a baby, you're usually supporting the baby's head and back with one arm while your other arm supports the bottom. This provides a secure and comfortable position for the baby. Figurative use. Figuratively, cradling can also mean to care for or nurture something with great attention. For example, she cradled her dream of becoming a singer, practicing every day. Let's look at how the phrase is used in sentences. When the baby started to cry, her father gently cradled her until she fell asleep. The nurse showed the new parents how to cradle the baby properly for breastfeeding. In different cultures, the way a baby is cradled might vary, but the underlying sentiment of love and care remains the same. Cradling is a universal expression of nurturing and comfort. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, cradle a baby, confidently in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying care and emotion. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be cradling English phrases just as tenderly as you would a baby. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.